welcome to another episode of Bad Bees. Today's episode is about accepting cryptocurrency payments. Now, what you're usually going to use are Venmo, Cash App or PayPal. Those are the three popular ones today if you're not using your fan or clip sites. Okay, first off, throw away Venmo and PayPal. Both are very anti-sex worker and you are opening yourself up to be refunded and charged back. As Cash App goes, I would say the same thing. A lot of these people that are paying for your content do have cryptocurrency, and in particular Bitcoin. Now what this gives you is safety and security, right? Safety because it provides anonymity, and two, security because they can't charge back. What you first need to do is to get yourself a Binance account. Previously, you've seen me mention Coinbase, although I just realized that Coinbase aren't really sex worker friendly. I haven't had problems with them before, but why take a chance? Binance is not known to be anti-sex worker. Setting up is pretty easy. If you don't know how cryptocurrency or Bitcoin works and this scares you, it really is not that difficult to understand. Think of dollars, pounds and euros. It's just another currency. So what will you need? First off, set up a Binance account. Secondly, you will convert how much your piece of content is to Bitcoin using any online converter. Don't forget there might be fees to send the money, so the person buying the content might mention these or factor that in to your overall amount. Then you have your wallet ID. This is a unique reference code to where they should send the money. It's very important you get this completely right when you send it across to them in your message, because there is no refund, there is no take backs. The money will be sent to that wallet. On Binance, it will show you your wallet ID and you can copy, click it, paste it to the person buying your content. Once you've received the money, you'll see it in your account on Binance in Bitcoin. Now, once it's in Bitcoin, you can keep it as Bitcoin because Bitcoin seems to be doing pretty well, or you can choose to turn it in to whatever currency you have and then withdraw it to your bank that way.
Please be advised there may be charges depending on the method that you use.
Right, something to remember, safety and security is paramount. If someone charges back something on Venmo, Cash App or PayPal, they're likely the people that leak content to. So even though this process will take longer, remember Bitcoin does not show up instantly. Okay, it may take some time. It's better to go through this process rather than be cheated. That's all for today. Stay safe online. Take care.